Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with my swap reveal, which is a super late video, and it's because I've been traveling for the last couple of weeks, and my post office would not put my package in the oversized box. They wanted me to come in and get it, and they were going to send it back, and I'm like, okay, why won't you just give me the key and put it in the other box? I don't get my postmaster. I don't understand what's going on. 1 minute, they jam boxes inside of my bag and rip it up, and the other one they want to hold them, and the other ones they stick the key so you can go get it. I don't understand. There's no rhyme or reason because they're not consistent. But if they were just sticking there, I don't need them to hold my mail. That's why I pay for a box. Just give me a key and let me get it. Sorry about the noise. From out of the other one, just be simpler. And especially when you close early. My post office, they close early. And I don't work in the same city, so I can't get there in time. So anyway, enough complaining. This is the Happy Crafter or Lisa Goss. She had a swap for the month of February, excuse me, and it was an embellishment box swap. And so I was in group 6. And so these are my swap partners. So I'm sorry, just to late reveal, I could not get it. I've been out of town for the last couple of weekends, and I can't get it on weekdays, and I traveled a couple of weekdays too, but I can't get it because I work an hour away from the post office. So anyway, I did want to show what I got because they did such a good job. So this is how the first one comes, and this is by Eboney, Sharingmoore, how she had hers packaged. Very pretty. And so I thought it was a nice challenge, and I am so glad that I get to get these goodies. And of course, do I have a pair of scissors right next to me at the moment when I'm doing the video? No, because brilliant me, I'm sitting here, I was cleaning up my craft room, and I was like, oh, I need to get this done. I don't have anything in front of me, so I'm tearing everything up. Okay. It's got that red on it, so I'm already partial to it anyway. But I will have the links to the ladies below, as well as Lisa's in my Show Me More box, so that you can check out all of their channels. And please like and subscribe to their channels. Tell them I sent you. They are all wonderful, creative, and talented crafters. You would not be disappointed. And I apologize again for the noise. The one thing every crafter has is scissors. And where are my scissors? I don't know, because I don't know. So anyway, so part of her and that does smell good. She always puts scented pieces of paper in her stuff. Ebony does. So they had to send us 6 pieces of paper in case we want to make some additional embellishments or projects out of with the embellishments which she gave, which I thought, Lisa, that was really a creative idea, doing that. And then Lisa also likes for people to do a tag, which is also a nice signature that she does with her swaps. So these are the papers. They've got a nice texture to them too. So these are her 2 solids, and it had to be 4 colored papers. So that you can, if you wanted to do something extra with the pieces that you have. And then she sent us some goodies. So in here, I also like it with some charms in it from Blue Moon. Okay. That was one of the things I was doing today, as the sorting little, taking my stuff out of one storage system and putting them into another one. So we got some material, yay, because I can make some flowers out of that. And then Vicky Booten and the little heart. She's got a nice little pouch that we can use. And on this side it says, all the good things. And I just got that paper pad. And then here is her embellishment box. She's got a little button braid right here with the texture on it. You can see feel the size, and she faux stitched around it. And again, everybody's video is more detailed, so you can see how they made it. And I love that she personalized it. This book belongs to Dawn. Then she has the clear pocket here, which is really nice. And so in here, she's got some goodies. Look over here. So you got your flip-flops, and you got your little piece of fruit. Here's another piece of that strawberry, which I like how she did it. She made it into a card. How cute. Oh, I love it. She's put her little info in here too. Oh, go ahead, Air Force. Okay. Thank you for swapping with me, and thank you for the note. I love it because it's so good to know people and know a little bit more about them. And so in here, and these are her look at these are nice. So this is, see, I really want to be better at these rosettes. I mean, I can make them, but I just don't feel like I'm great at them. So this is one of her rosettes with a bird on it, and then here's the other rosette as well. Nice, beautiful, strong rosettes. And I love how she, down the spine, she put her clothespins, and they had the strawberries on them. Then we got the bows right here, and they got the nice floral centerpieces as well with the bead spray. Got her pocket right here. It says, "Hey girlfriend," and so you can pull it out. It has a little more information about her in here. See, I didn't have time to type mine up, but I would have been so great if I had done that, because I know y'all trying to struggle to read my writing. But again, her channel is Sharingmoore, one word. So thank you for that tag. And then over here she put some extra goodies. Stuff gonna fall off my stuff over here. So clean it up before you make the video. And so anyway, so she puts it in here to show you how to make it says 3D berry. So, and then she actually gave us some seeds. How cool, because it is the spring, and it was 78 degrees today. Oh my God, it's going to be such a hot weather, and it's not April yet. Oh my God, I am not complaining. I really have to know the code. So thank you so much, Ebony. I love everything. Beautiful, beautiful, and I will enjoy it. So here's my other one too. Look at her tag. Oh, look at her. She's got the dangle, which, oh, definitely would reuse that. Love that dangle. Oh, it's nice. Big. Look at that. So let me clip that off. I used to make jewelry. Look at these pieces up there. Oh, look at that. Didn't really make a lot of dangles per se, but I made more earrings and necklaces. But I used to enjoy doing it. Look at the Eiffel Tower, butterfly, leaf, flowers, and the angel. So you've got quite a few pieces up here. My foot is going to sleep over here. So I was sitting on it. And that's, so this is how her package comes. And she Velcroed it. Okay. Foot going to sleep. Some beautiful bling just fell out. Oh, I see chocolate. So you got some pink, clear, and yellow. I was sitting on my leg too long now. It is so sleep. Oh, I hate when I do that. Oh my God, my leg is asleep. So she's also gave me some die cuts. Some doilies. You know, you could always use doilies in anything. So these are some different shaped doilies. Pretty different dies. You know, it's amazing how a doily can just change any type. Look at that. The tea set. It can change any type of layout, picture, card, whatever you're doing. And then these are her. Oh, my leg is still asleep. Wake up. Wake up. And I can't even like bounce it where I'm at because I have no room under me. Oh, that's pretty. I like that camera right there. I forgot which paper pad she said this was. Oh, look at that. That gold on that bird. It's beautiful. This is pretty and it's double-sided. What that says? I'm trying to see if it say anything. I don't think it does, but maybe it does and I'm missing it. But very pretty paper. Very pretty. Was it Webster? I can't remember who it was. Webster paper. Oh, this is pretty too. It's got that glitter in it, that linen type cardstock with linen with iridescent colors. So all these nice, pretty solids that would go with these as well. So nice paper pads. Thank you so much. And then here is her embellishments. So she's got some bling right here, and look, you can. Oh, that is so pretty. You can see the iridescence on the silhouettes. I don't know if you can. If that's probably won't show up as well, but it is very pretty. And then you see her chunky. She got a chunky one right here, and the two other ones right here in the same paper in the background. So these are her paper clips. When her Masons came off, look how she did. She's got the nice silvery linen paper over top of it. I love it. The coffee cup. She's got some resin pieces right here as well. I love this idea. And then these pretty silhouettes with crochet pieces. Now that I don't know if you crocheted them or not. I can't remember. Nice. Probably did, because they look like, I mean, probably did, which is pretty cool. I like to crochet, but gosh, I haven't done that. That's really nice in a long time. And then these are her bows, and so she's got some resin pieces, and she's got some double bows as well. She's got some extra ones as well. She's got some more resin pieces right here as well, and then her tag is in here as well. So this is Lisa's channel, Charlisa's Crafty Corner. So this is what she made. I love her paper collection, and she did a video, so check out her video as well. So I will have that link to their channels, ladies. And guess what? I think you should play along and do some things similar to this. I think you enjoy it. It's a nice way to give something to somebody as well. So I thank you, ladies, for your entries and for swapping with me, and Lisa for letting me be part of your swap. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.